Hey everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video I will show you how you can simply move comments between WordPress posts. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is open WordPress and then just click here to plugins and add a new plugin. And right here in search plugins, movable comments. Now when you got it, you're gonna see here taco movable comments, install now. Okay, activate it. And all you have to do is just go to comments and edit the comment. And you're gonna see it here, move comments with taco. This post currently belongs to post titled Tortur nulla vulpotate. Choose the post type that you want to move this comment to, post or page, and you just find the post that you want to add it to. Hooray! And update. And voila. And now it's on in Hooray. So this is how you do it, and this is how you simply move comments between WordPress posts. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down below in the comments, and yeah, thank you, see ya, and goodbye.